Hey everyone! Today we're touring a room at Planet Hollywood, Costa Rica with Air Canada Vacations. Located 40 minutes northwest of the Liberia International Airport, this all-ages beachfront resort is set on the Papagayo Gulf, has 300 rooms, delicious food, gorgeous pools, plus impressive Hollywood memorabilia and entertainment. Let's take a look at where we stayed, room 12302. A star-class Ocean View Junior Suite. You'll enter the suite using your wristband and find your spacious lounge area. Relax on the plush pull-out couch with table and enjoy your fresh welcome fruit. There's a desk beside this with large lit mirrors and comfy chair. On the counter, you'll find glasses, an ice bucket, snacks, water, and your coffee maker with mugs. There's also USB and electrical outlets close by. Beside the entrance is your incredible secret box, where you can have room service delivered without having to answer the door. Next up is the bedroom area. Your custom-designed hypoallergenic beds have luxurious sheets, plush pillows, and star-quality designs surrounding them. Beside each bed are convenient adjustable reading lamps for your late night or early morning needs. The bedside table has USB and electrical outlets, a thermostat, fan controls, and light switches at your fingertips. It holds your alarm clock, phone, notepad and pen, and TV remote. Underneath, there's a large drawer for storage. And there's a ceiling fan overhead for your comfort. Across the room is Entertainment Central, with inspiring Hollywood designs and a conveniently placed shelf surrounding your interactive satellite television. Your PHTV gives you access to things like channel guides, restaurant menus, a resort map, room service menu, which you can order directly through the TV, and even pick your vacation soundtrack with curated playlists. There are two large doorways that connect to the other side of the suite, which holds beautifully designed lighting. On one end, you'll find your private area with toilet, conveniently placed phone, and incredible music-inspired artwork. Next to this is a storage area where you'll find a lighted shelf and a large drawer to unpack in. Underneath is your fully stocked minibar. It holds local beers, Diet Pepsi, Pepsi, 7-Up, and lots of water that's all restocked as needed. Next to this is more storage, with shelving overhead and a safe. This safe has lighting and a convenient universal outlet inside to charge your devices. Underneath are 4 additional wide drawers with lots of room to unpack in. Over here is the closet. It holds your plush robes, hangers, luggage rack, your individually wrapped Planet Hollywood slippers, extra pillow and blanket, and on the other side, you'll find hangers, an ironing board, iron, and an umbrella just in case. Next up is the luxurious spa bathroom. It has stunning overhead and inset mirror lighting, elegant twin bowl sinks, useful electrical outlets, glasses, a vanity mirror, tissues, face cloths, and complimentary amenities like shampoo, body milk, bath gel, and soap that's restocked as needed. Underneath the counter, you'll find a hairdryer, a beautifully crafted bench and seating area, a scale, and a supply of soft towels. To complete the space, you'll find your shower area. It has both a handheld shower head and rainfall shower head, modern fixtures, and complimentary amenities including bath gel, conditioner, and shampoo that are restocked as needed. It also has a large bench and opaque window for fresh airflow. Both of the doorways hold a sliding door for privacy, with a mirror design on one side and floor-to-ceiling mirrors on the other side. Now onto one of the best parts of the room, the private balcony. It has a seating area for 2 with table and chairs, a drying rack, and overlooks the phenomenal panoramic views of Costa Rica. We hope you enjoyed our room tour here at Planet Hollywood, Costa Rica. Book your Planet Hollywood, Costa Rica vacation with Air Canada Vacations. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell us what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more room tours and vacation inspiration. Thanks for watching, guys!